Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax at Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a fresh out of shrink wrap Mastercraft X26. This is the brand new 2024 model with the stern cabana shade. All right, so the X26, the largest boat that Mastercraft currently builds, tons of room, tons of seating. So wraparound U-shaped seating in the back, stern facing seat back here behind the captain's seat, as well as a flip-flop seat over here on the companion side. A little unique is that it does have a port side walkthrough to go up into the bow. So very large bow seating. And lots of height on your backrest. So it's a boat that you really feel like you're sitting down inside instead of up on top of, and great storage underneath all of your seats all the way around. You will see a pair of USB ports up here, as well as an extra set of speakers up here, subwoofer, flip down armrest. Really, really well done up here in the front. One of the things that sets the X26 apart from some of the other models, well, really all the other models in the Mastercraft line, is this is the model that does have a head. So if you're looking for a competition towboat, great surf boat that does have a head, this is going to be one of the boats that should be at the very top of your list. This was ordered with the dual screen Premium Plus package, so twin screens, they're both big. Touch screen over here on the side to control all of your surf star, all of your surf features. Really nicely equipped. This boat also does have the joystick, as well as the upgraded tower observer transom or observer stereo remote. So just really well optioned. This is one of my favorite models that they do. Clamping board racks now standard, and everything's color coded to match the tower. Pair of tower cans up here, rear view speaker, done really well. So if you're looking for the really big, really nice towboat that has a bathroom, this is probably something you're going to be really interested in. If you have any more questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.